Hello everyone. This is the second question of exercise 12.1 and we are solving the part second of it, and it is the same, like we have to first tell the terms and then we have to tell the factors of it. So we'll make the same table that we made last time in part 1. So it is having two terms, that is minus 4x and 5. Now we'll write the factors of it. 5 will have only its factor as 5, or we can say that 5 and 1, that we can write, or it doesn't matter. So we can write this 5 and 1, or it simply we can leave this as it is. But now this can be written as, we'll have 3 arrows, we'll have minus 1, we'll have 4 and we'll have x. So minus 4 into 1 into x give us minus 4x. Here again we are having two terms, that is minus 4x and 5y. It will have two factors, that is 5 and y, and it will have again three factors, that will be minus 1, 4 and x. Coming on to part third, there are two terms, 5y and 3y square. So these two arrows means 5 and y are the factors of 5y, and 3y and y are the factors of 3y square. Part D, here it is xy and it is 2x square y square. So we'll have two arrows, that means x and y, one multiplied give us xy, and here we'll be having 5 arrows. 2 multiplied with x, multiplied with x, multiplied with y and multiplied with y. That will give us 2x square y square. Coming on to part E. So this is PQ, one term, and this is Q. We can leave Q as it is, and PQ can be written as P and Q. So P and Q are the factors of PQ. And in this part F, these two will be there. First term is 1.2 AB. Second term is, we'll have 3 arrows. Second term is minus 2.4 B, and third term is 3.6 A. So this will have 3 arrows. So 1.2 is one term, A is one term and B is one term. And this will again have 3 arrows. Minus 1 is one term, 2.4 is one term and B is one term. And it will have 2 because 3.6 is one term and A is one term. Now we'll solve the remaining two. So it will have 3x by 4, it will have 1 by 4. The factors of this will be x multiplied with 3 by 4, and we can leave this 1 by 4 as it is. And in this one, the two terms are 0.1 p square and 0.2 q square. This will have 3 arrows, 0.1 p and p. This will again have 3 arrows, q, q and 0.2. When multiplied will give us 0.2 q square and 0.1 p square. This is how you can solve this question. Thank you.